We know with heart failure that it's the heart's inability to pump enough blood to the body to meet its demands. We can split it down into systolic heart failure, where we have a pumping issue, and diastolic heart failure, where we have a filling issue. What we can do is we can also break it down into left-sided and right-sided heart failure. Now, it's good to know that left-sided can cause right-sided and vice versa as well. So let's start with left-sided heart failure. We know that the left ventricle is struggling to pump the blood around the body. So what we do is we get a build-up or back pressure of blood into the left atrium and then into the pulmonary circulation. And now that increased pressure in the pulmonary circulation will lead to pulmonary edema. When we get that edema in the alveoli, we'll get shortness of breath, and we'll also get orthopnea, which is where you get shortness of breath when laying down. And then also on auscultation is you'll hear crackles in that chest, maybe a slight bubbling as well. Now with right-sided heart failure, same sort of principle. The right ventricle is struggling to pump blood, and then we get a backup of pressure into the right atrium. And then we know that in the right atrium, the blood is being drawn from the body. Okay, so what we'll do is first we'll get raised jugular venous pressure. So our neck veins will be distended as that pressure builds up towards the jugular vein. We can also get ascites as the blood builds up around the liver and the spleen. And we can also get peripheral edema, okay, which is normally that pitting edema you see on people's legs. Starts at the legs just because gravity helps it along its way. And that's a good way to tell the difference.